Looking for the best electric ratchet wrench to boost efficiency and tackle tough jobs with ease? Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, a powerful cordless ratchet saves time and effort. We've rounded up the top 5 best electric ratchet wrenches, featuring high torque, fast speeds, and ergonomic designs to make your work smoother and hassle-free. Number 1. Aoben Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench. The Aoben Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench is a game-changer for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. With its 12V max motor delivering 40 foot-pounds of torque, this tool makes removing and installing bolts effortless. Whether you're working on cars, furniture, or home repairs, it provides exceptional power and performance. Its superior fastening speed of 280 RPM, coupled with a variable speed trigger, ensures precision and control for any task. Plus, the LED lighting on the front illuminates your workspace, making it easy to work in low-light conditions. The built-in battery indicator keeps you informed of your power level, so you never get caught off guard. Designed for safety and durability, the backward switch prevents accidental activation, while the air-cooled motor enhances heat dissipation for longer battery life. This complete set includes two 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries, a charger, 6 sockets, an adapter, an extension bar, and a durable carry case, everything you need for convenience and efficiency. For professionals and DIYers alike, the Aoben Cordless Ratchet Wrench is a reliable, high-performance tool that delivers power, speed, and durability in one compact package. Upgrade your toolkit today. Number 2. ACDelco 12V Cordless Ratchet Wrench. The ACDelco 12V Cordless Ratchet Wrench is the ultimate tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Delivering 45 foot-pounds of torque, this lightweight yet powerful wrench makes removing and installing fasteners a breeze. Designed with a compact 3/8 alloy steel head, it easily fits into tight spaces, making it ideal for auto repairs, construction, and home projects. Plus, the built-in LED light ensures you can work efficiently, even in dark environments. What sets this ratchet apart is its versatility. With a 170 RPM no-load speed, it provides the precision and speed needed for a variety of tasks. Unlike single-function tools, this wrench adapts to different applications, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Designed for comfort, the ergonomic soft grip handle reduces fatigue during extended use. Its slim body design balances hand torque up to 100 foot-pounds, ensuring a secure grip and maximum control. The G12 series value kit includes everything you need: a cordless ratchet wrench, 8 sockets, a powerful 12V Li-ion battery, and a fast charger. Durable, efficient, and user-friendly, the ACDelco 12V ratchet wrench is a must-have tool for any serious craftsman. Number 3. Alloy Power Cordless Ratchet Wrench. The Alloy Power Cordless Ratchet Wrench is built for heavy-duty performance, delivering an impressive 60 foot-pounds of torque to tackle even the toughest nuts and bolts. Its reinforced steel alloy body and thicker head bearing ensure long-lasting durability, preventing common issues like bearing damage or breakage. Designed for tight spaces, this wrench features a 5.5-inch extended neck and a compact 3/8-inch head, making it ideal for auto repairs, construction, and home improvement projects. The soft rubber handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Powered by a high-efficiency 12V pure copper motor, this ratchet offers a variable speed range of 0 to 250 RPM, controlled by a pressure-sensitive trigger for precision work. The two 2000 mAh rechargeable batteries allow for extended operation, with up to 500 charge cycles for long-term reliability. For added convenience, the built-in LED light illuminates dark workspaces, while the power indicator keeps you informed of battery levels. The complete kit includes 6 sockets, 2 drive adapters, a charger, and a durable case, ensuring you're equipped for any task. With power, durability, and versatility, the Alloy Power Cordless Ratchet Wrench is a must-have tool for professionals and DIYers alike. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Ratchet Wrench. The CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Ratchet Wrench is the perfect tool for mechanics, DIYers, and professionals who need power, speed, and precision in a compact design. Delivering up to 35 foot-pounds of torque, this cordless ratchet easily handles fastening and loosening tasks with efficiency. With a superior fastening speed of 300 RPM, it ensures quick and smooth operation, while the variable speed trigger provides precise control over your work. Whether you're tightening bolts on an engine or working in a tight space, this ratchet adapts to your needs. Designed for comfort and convenience, the lightweight ergonomic body reduces fatigue during long work sessions, making it ideal for extended use. The built-in LED work light ensures optimal visibility, even in dark or hard-to-reach areas, so you can work with confidence. Please note that the battery and charger are sold separately, allowing you to use compatible CRAFTSMAN V20 batteries for flexibility and longer run time. For those who demand efficiency, power, and reliability, the CRAFTSMAN V20 cordless ratchet wrench is an essential addition to any toolbox. Number 5. Seesii 21V Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench. The Seesii 21V Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench is a powerhouse tool designed for automotive, mechanical, and home repair tasks. With an impressive 66 foot-pounds, 90 Newton-meters of torque and a 200 RPM speed, this wrench delivers high performance, making bolt tightening and loosening effortless. Its thicker steel bearings provide extra durability, ensuring long-lasting reliability. Equipped with a brushless motor, this ratchet is more efficient, generates less heat, and lasts longer than traditional brushed models. The variable speed trigger allows precise control, adjusting speed based on pressure for different applications. Designed for continuous work, this set includes two 2.0R lithium-ion batteries, rigorously tested to last over 1,000 charge cycles. With a fast charger that fully recharges in just 30 minutes, you can work without interruptions by alternating between the two batteries. At just £3, this wrench features a compact 3/8 head, making it perfect for tight spaces. The built-in LED light ensures clear visibility in dark or narrow areas, while the ergonomic grip provides comfort and control. The forward-reverse switch and safety lock add ease of use and security. This complete set includes 8 sockets, a 3-inch extension bar, 2 drive adapters, a charger, and a carrying bag. Cordless, lightweight, and powerful, the Seesii Electric Ratchet Wrench is a must-have for professionals and DIYers, and makes a great gift for any occasion.